Prepositions of Place, English Activation Pack. I hate prepositions. Students hate prepositions because prepositions are difficult to learn for several reasons. 1. There are a lot of prepositions. 2. Most prepositions have several meanings depending on context. 3. Many prepositions are monosyllabic and difficult to hear in normal speech. 4. Prepositions cannot be literally translated from one language to another. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place answer the question, where? Where's the cat? It's on the mat. Prepositions in this pack: above, against, alongside, at the end of, before, behind, below, beside, between, by, in front of, inside, near, next to, on, opposite, over, to the left of, to the right of, under. Methodology. In this English Activation Pack, I'll ask you to decide where things are in various pictures. For instance, in this picture, where's the woman? The answer would be, the woman is sitting on the bench. Where? Where is the man in this picture? The man is standing under the car. The man is standing underneath the car. Only at Britlish.com. The many interactive exercises in this English Activation Pack are only available at Britlish.com. The activators at the end of the pack will give you plenty of exercises to help you master the use of prepositions of place in English. You can pay what you want for access to the entire Britlish library, or you can get a 48-hour Britlish library pass for free at Britlish.com. Vocabulary development. As well as the Prepositions activator, I've also included a vocabulary activator. Made up of the vocabulary in the Prepositions activator, the vocabulary activator will help you to improve your vocabulary in an engaging way. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all enjoying all of the free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.